Don't you feel our planet becoming very hot? My place, Malang, is known for its cold vibe, but now I get hot easily and I sweat a lot even I don't do anything. Well, the answer is because of global warming. Not only Malang but all over the world. And how we can protect our planet. Before I start explaining more further, let me introduce myself. I'm Nabila Kinasih and it is such a pleasure to give another speech to you all. I hope everyone who is watching this video can enjoy and learn something positive, and if there are any mistakes, please let me know. Okay, I will divide my speech into two main parts. The first one is global warming. I will explain what is global warming, what are the causes and the effects of global warming. And the second one is protecting our planet from global warming. Why do we have to protect our planet? Things we can do to protect our planet. Okay, let's move on to the first part. Global warming. What is global warming? Well, we can tell the definition of global warming by its name, where global means universal or all around or international, and warming means warm or comfortably high temperature. So basically, global warming is the long-term heating of Earth's climate system, and it has been observed since the pre-industrial period between 1850 and 1900. And then next, what are the causes of global warming? Mostly it because of human activities such as deforestation, the clearance of woodland and forests, whereas trees and forests turn carbon dioxide into oxygen. So when they are cleared, like the stored carbon is then released into the environment. And the second one is industrialization. Industrialization is harmful in a variety of ways. The waste this industry produces all ends up in landfills or in our surrounding environment. The chemical and the materials used within industrialization can not only pollute the atmosphere but also the soil underneath it. And the third one is waste. Humans create more waste now than ever before because of the amount of packaging used and the short life cycle of products. A lot of items, waste and packaging isn't recyclable, which means it ends up in landfills. When the waste in landfills begins to decompose or break down, it releases harmful gases into the atmosphere, which contribute to global warming. And many more factors like oil drilling, oil and gas, power plant, overfishing, and farming. And now, the effects of it is more frequent and intense drought, storms, heat waves, rising sea levels, unstable weather, melting glaciers, warming oceans, and allergies or other health risks for us. Okay, let's move on to the second part, protecting our planet from global warming. Why do we have to protect our planet? Because we are all affected, even animals and plants, no matter where in the world we live. We are fortunate to live in a beautiful, diverse, nurturing, awe-inspiring planet. We all deserve to breathe clean air. Also, our children and all future generations deserve the same. That is why we should protect our planet by slowing or stopping global warming. Even though we cannot stop global warming overnight or even over the next several decades, but we can slow the rate and limit the amount of global warming. The things we can do to protect our planet is first, reduce, reuse, and recycle. We can cut down on what we throw away, like using less plastic or styrofoam, or turn the plastic waste to a craft like flower vase or plated bag, and you can even turn your organic waste to become compost. And the second thing we can do is volunteer. You can volunteer for cleanups in your community. You can get involved in protecting your watershed too. And the third one is educate. When you have further education, you can help others understand the importance and the value of our natural resources. Next, conserve water. The less water we use, the less runoff and wastewater that eventually end up in the ocean. Then, choose sustainable, like bring your own water bottle everywhere you go. Or when you go shopping, you can bring your own reusable bag like this. And then, shop wisely. Don't be a consumptive people. And you have to buy things that you need. Don't buy unnecessary items. Next is use long-lasting light bulbs. Energy-efficient light bulbs reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Also, flip the light switch off when you leave the room or when your room is still bright. And plant a tree. Trees provide food and oxygen. They help save energy, clean the air, and help combat climate change. And don't send chemicals into our waterways. Choose non-toxic chemicals in the home and office. And last, walk or bike more and drive less. Or you can use public transportation. It also saves our money. All in all, we all are facing the same situation where global warming starts and gives a big impact to our environment, our lives, and our planet. Mostly the causes of global warming is due to human activities such as deforestation, industrialization, waste, oil and gas, and others. If we still want to breathe in fresh air and care about our future generations, we can start from the smallest thing, like 3 rules for trust, which is reduce, reuse, and recycle. And then use something sustainable like bring your own water bottle or bring reusable bag. And then plant a tree around your house or around your environment. And drive less where we can walk, ride a bike, or use public transportation more. Okay, good people, that is all from me. I hope you can learn something from this video. And don't forget to protect our planet for better living. Thank you for listening and goodbye.